Hey everyone, welcome to Earthling Cooks. Today we're going to make some teriyaki chicken meatballs. These things are really tasty and pretty simple to make. So what we're going to need is a pound of ground chicken. We're going to need some onion, garlic, eggs, parmesan, teriyaki sauce of course, and breadcrumbs. That's about it. It's a pretty simple recipe. So to our bowl, we're going to add all the ingredients. I have about 1/4 cup of chopped onions, about 3 cloves of garlic, have a 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, want about a teaspoon of salt, and up to about a teaspoon of pepper. I don't measure these, I just kind of shake some in. Then we're going to have our 2 eggs. Well, let me get the last dry ingredient. Want about a teaspoon of oregano as well. I mean, not oregano, Italian seasoning as well. Then we'll get our eggs in there, 2 eggs. And then our Parmesan. Now if you don't have a block of Parmesan at home, that's okay. You can use the bag Parmesan. I like to do about a 1/3 cup. I'm just gonna again estimate here. Just get some good Parmesan in there. And then after that, we're just gonna go ahead and mix this all up with our hands. And then we'll show you guys the next step. Be sure to have your oven going. We're going to set it to 375. I mixed this up real good already. All we're going to do is lay these down in the size you want. I like to make them just a little bit bigger than a golf ball. And we'll just go ahead and fill up the pan. And there we go, I end up with about 8 meatballs. I did start my oven a little late, we'll let it finish preheating, and then we'll move on. Now we'll go ahead and place them in the oven. And set a timer for 27 minutes. And then we'll come back. 27 minutes later now, we'll take them out. There we go. Now these meatballs are great as they are. You can use these in pasta or just put them in pasta sauce and eat them as they are. But we're going to go ahead and finish the teriyaki recipe. So what we're going to do is let them cool for just a second, and then we're going to put them on the plate and get that teriyaki on. To finish these off now, we just need some teriyaki. Now if you don't have a brush like this, you can just drizzle some over the top of them all. I like to use a brush, and we'll just get them all coated up. And there we go, there's our final product. Super simple and tasty. Give these a try and let me know how you like them. We'll see you next time on Earthling Cooks.